Ready to embark on a thrilling journey into the world of animation? Let's begin. First, launch your animation software and prepare the stage. Set the animation dimensions to fit your vision. Be mindful of your intended output, and consider aspect ratios for various platforms. Now, let's craft our hero. Employ the drawing tools of your chosen animation software. Establish a strong physique with a pose that projects power and personality. Think of a distinctive costume and a color palette that will convey your hero's character. Time to animate. Create distinct layers for each body part: arms, legs, head, and torso. This layering will allow for independent movement within the timeline. Manipulate keyframes to shift body parts, dictating the animation's motion. The moment of action. Add a punch. Using your software's essential motion tools, establish keyframes at critical points, and bring a starting pose and an end pose for your animation. Let the software interpolate between frames to craft the desired transitions. Integrate special effects to enhance the animation. Utilize the brush and shape tools to create effects, such as speed lines for actions, or refine a look by modifying opacity and applying motion blur, enhancing the illusion of speed. Congratulations, you've now made a superhero animation. Experiment with poses, effects, and backgrounds to convey your hero's story.